Curry leaves is a flavorful herb filled with health benefits. Did you know it's heart healthy too? Today we are going to make a delicious curry leaf podi recipe. First, wash and pat dry the curry leaves. Then in a pan we are going to dry roast urad dal. We are going to transfer it to a plate. Next, in the same pan we are going to dry roast jeera. Transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool. Next, we are going to add some sesame oil and dry roast the red chillies. Add asafoetida and salt. Lightly roast the curry leaves till they are nice and crisp. That's it. Powder it and our curry leaves podi is now ready. Serve it with hot rice or any tiffin. Add generous amounts of ghee, mix and enjoy. The curry leaves podi will stay good up to 3 months. Store it in an odor-free, clean container. Do try out this recipe and share your feedback. I'm sure your entire family is going to love it.